Welcome to Lesson 6 for Circles. Don't be needy. The truth is, circles can be needy for validation, attention, and connection with other people, especially in an unbalanced state. Circles need time with other people and space to talk about and process everything in order to fill up. You can't fill up your bucket alone. Because meeting your needs requires other people, this can become a strain and create some problems in your relationships, especially if the other person is a shape that needs time alone to fill up. If you're in a relationship with an arrow, a diamond, a rhombus, triangle, or rectangle, you might find it's harder to get your needs met. In this lesson, we're going to explain where the neediness comes from and how you can manage it without triggering fear in the other person or damage your relationship. You aren't broken or less valuable because you're wired with the subconscious need for connection and validation. It's just how circles are. Part of it comes from fear of failure and not feeling like you're good enough. For you, fear of failure is tied to fear of abandonment, not being wanted or needed, and a fear of being alone. This doesn't mean you still won't like time alone on occasion, but it means most of the time you need lots of connection to others to feel safe in the world and personally good enough. This fear can make you overgive to others. You just believe if you make them all happy with you, they won't ever leave. But you pay a high cost for this. You'll often overgive and then end up feeling unappreciated for it all. The truth is, if you overgive all the time, people do start to expect it, and they appreciate it less and less. You'd get more appreciation if you were more balanced and let the people in your life see that sometimes you need to be taken care of too. This requires you to actually take care of you though, and on occasion, say no to others. Circles must learn how to be a little bit more selfish and make what you need a priority too. We know this can be hard and scary for you because it triggers the fear of not being wanted, but you must learn to take care of yourself and your own needs if you want healthy relationships. A good exercise for you would be trying to do more things on your own. Go to a movie or eat at a restaurant by yourself. This will feel completely out of your comfort zone, but do it anyway. Practice choosing to feel secure, happy, and safe there on your own. The more you do these things, the more comfortable you'll become. We also encourage circles to have lots of people in their life to spend time with, not just one. If you only have that one special person in your life, it actually places a lot of needs on them. And for some shapes, this is just too much. If you have lots of people you can depend on, then you can spread your need for connection around, and it won't be such a burden on that one person. We also recommend that you practice being mindful when you are in an unbalanced state and carefully watch your behaviour. Another issue for circles is a tendency to overreact and blow things out of proportion. Sometimes a small problem, it looks bigger to you. It really does. It really looks bigger. So your reaction may seem reasonable to you at the time. The problem is everyone else can see that problem more accurately than you in that moment. And to them, you're creating unnecessary drama. Can you own that you do this sometimes? Circles really want the world to be smooth and to go their way, and they expect it to. They get really thrown for a loop when things go bad, and it's painful and scary. You must practice what you learned in lessons 2, 3, and 4, and trust your value. It can't change, and that life is actually your perfect classroom all the time. Keep listening to the audio recordings from those lessons, and use the choice formula to help you stay in trust and love. When you find yourself in fear and wobbly, notice what you think you need to feel better. Are you placing responsibility to make you feel better or happier on your partner or anyone else? Remember, they can't fill up your bucket or make you happy. This is your job. When you make someone else responsible for your happiness, you're setting that relationship up to fail. They can't fix what's happening in your head. Only you can do that. Be aware of expectations you place on them. Remember, you alone are in control of your inner state in every moment. Keep practicing choosing trust to make you feel better and work on soothing yourself. Find activities to do on your own to fill up your own bucket. The more you do this, the better your relationships will be.